Não adianta copiar, não. 012, 012. Lamborghini, preto e cromada, ouro, diamante, mansão na Itália.
I just brought the cheapest Lamborghini in the country. That's because the previous owner can't get insured. Now seriously, we're at the Mccann car show. So this is the original rock box. That's a disco light which I could pinch for my disco. That's a light that's out of alignment, and this here is the Revelto, which is the replacement for the SVJ. Lamborghini's attempt as an hybrid, which is the new rock box, and here is their attempt at a rally car. I'm not particularly keen on those, to be honest. Lamborghini should stick to supercars, and this is how you do rally cars. This is the Ken Block car. Mr. Mark Mccann, pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Subscribe to your channel.
Thank you, appreciate that.
I'll tell you what, you got your phone with, because you know what's fair, don't you?
What's that?
Wow, sub for a sub.
Ah, sub for a sub.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's under Simon H. That's the one. Thank you very much, sir. When the Tesla shit takes over, you can forget that.
3, 2, 1, the Cybertruck has broken its chassis, the bumper has come off the rear, and he is coming into corner one, heading for that first round. Is Wade your neighbour? Is it your friend? We'll find out over the
Red and the black combo on this really is something else, and so is the exhaust system. Oh, it's a baby Guinea. Ben Fowler will be here because this is his perf.
Chase me down.
I recognise that car, seen it on Teemu. I'll tell you what, I've been feeding the fish for months trying to get one.
Why do I not get that? How you doing, man?
Not too bad, mate. So check out this R8, check out the exhaust system and the fact that the back bumper's missing. Yeah, it's a bit tucked. Bit of a silicon pipe. I might ask if they don't want that anymore because I need some for my intercooler. Wow, look at this Liberty Walk GTR.
Did you know this? You didn't do the jump.
Look at how much coilover's not being used.
2 seconds to break. Plus 10. These penalties are pretty high. Yeah, 22 is new time, number 6 on the Grammy bike. 29.35 seconds.
So members of the public, that means you may see these cars built with finesse and engineering and skill and cost hundreds, even thousands of pounds.
There's a no, still in one piece. That's incredible.
I think that went wrong.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, Jamie, fishing gas.
We on camera, are we?
Yeah, we're on camera. Subscribe to your channel.
Yes.
Got your phone on you, you know what's fair, don't you?
I think.
Yeah?
Yeah. What am I doing?
I don't know.
What am I doing?
Sub for sub, isn't it?
Sub for sub. That's not how I work. Maybe. Let me Have you done a sub for sub?
No.
We'll do that.
That's what you two need to do. There you go. Sub for sub.
You don't even sub me.
I do sub. We done a sub for sub. He's done a sub for sub with me. Do a sub for sub here.
Right, what is it?
Right, it is.
It better be good. See, this is the problem.
Yeah.
These guys don't hand out their subs. Hang on, would it be the other way? Yeah, these guys don't sub easy. They only sub to good content.
Yeah.
So he's taking a while.
I only follow you, mate. That's it.
I'm the only person.
Have we got one follower?
No, we follow him.
These guys are the only people I subscribe to.
Right.
What is it? It's Simon H.
Simon
H.
What does Simon H do then?
Buys cars what he thinks are okay, and then find it's knackered and then fix it. Which one is it?
Oh, you've got 10 million subscribers?
No.
Oh.
It's that one there.
That one's.
No, I've probably got.
He's even got Calvin doing it. Look.
Yeah, I've got a few famous.
Is that what you do? Is that like your thing? Sub for sub?
Tavares actually subscribed.
Did he? There you go. Alright, so what we're going to do, right? He's going to proof check everything.
Yeah, and see
he's
if
going to
he
make sure it's
followed up.
certified, right? And if it's certified, I'll hit that subscribe.
Yeah, I'll tell you what. When I get my car fixed, we'll do a drag race.
I don't know what they got going on here, but there's something to see.
Like here the F1 car.
300 bucks.
Like everyone just charges they're out until someone
They come with twin turbo. Oh, hang on. What? Four-wheel drive?
No, we'll see it. Yeah, but it did delete.
Okay. What kind of power?
Boom without the factory. Don't know what mine is. Got chromatic border on it. Finishes.
Okay.
It's going to have a
Okay.
You better take your Audi out.
Yeah.
Well, bring one of your sort of lower grade cars.
Do you know what? They're all crazy for at the moment. Maybe I'll bring my decent BMW.
I've got a bit of time.
We'll have a go. Nice one.
Nice to meet you.